Okay, this is the motherboard. You have to open the laptop and take out the motherboard from inside. Okay. What is causing this kind of problem when the laptop is not displaying, just showing light there? Sometimes because maybe you use your laptop for so long, many years or maybe many months, you never clean it. At least you have to be cleaning your laptop, service the laptop every 6 months or maybe at least 1 year. What will cause this thing? Because the laptop becomes so dirty and the processor, this is the processor and this is the graphic chip. The graphic chip will become very dry. When it become dry, some of the legs on the graphic chip will disconnect to the board, from the board to the graphic chip. So in this case, I need to take out this processor, this heat sink. And not all cases you need to change the graphic card. Sometimes you can repair by yourself. You don't need to change the graphic card. So now in this case, I'm trying to repair this one, the graphic card. I need to take out the heat sink first. You see what I'll do and try to repair the graphic card. Then I'll show you how to repair the graphic card. And that's why it's good to clean your laptop at least every 6 months. You have to do service just to clean the laptop inside. So your laptop will not, so I avoid the laptop from this kind of problem. Okay. So after you take out the motherboard, you take out the heatsink. Okay, you remove the heatsink. Okay, disconnect the processor fan. If you can see, this side is very dirty inside. Okay, the processor fan is dirty. You have to service all this one after you finish service the graphic card. Okay, you have to clean it properly. Okay, you remove this tape and you just take out this one. You see how to do it. Okay, now this is the graphic card. This is the chip. So you take out this plastic on top first and remove this plastic. Remove this plastic to one side. Okay, and clean this processor paste. Okay, now you need to use blower. You need to heat the processor chip a bit. Then you remove those glue at the four corner here. Just remove those glue at the corner. You see them? Just remove them. Remove this one also. Make sure you remove it very nice. Okay. Remove this one also. Okay, after you remove them very clean, then you need to use oil, soldering oil. Okay, you just put a bit at the side, this side also. Okay, make sure you put all the four corner like this. Okay, now you need to use the blower again. You need to blow just bend the board like this, blow it some of the corners so that the oil will go down the under the processor so you can heat it properly. Just bend it like this. Make sure the oil go inside very well like this, inside right round. Okay. After you put the oil a bit inside, then now you need to heat around the processor. Don't heat on top of this glass. Just hit this side, close to the glass. This side, just hit this side at least for 5 minutes or maybe 2 minutes. When you see that the thing is getting hot, then you just stop. Okay. You see, just hit it like this. Okay, just hit it. Don't hit on top the shining glass one. Okay, just hit at the surrounding like this, just for the processor to get hot a bit before you stop. Okay, make sure you hit it. Just do it faster. Don't put it like this. Just make sure the processor is heat a bit. Okay, then you stop. Okay, don't heat it for so long. Also, when you see the oil is like boiling down, that means it's already hot. You stop. Don't hit on top of the glass, the shining glass. Okay. Okay, after you hit the graphic chip, okay, now you need to clean this one a bit. Okay, you try to open this plastic. There's a plastic, you open it and remove this heat zinc. Okay, you try to clean all this one and clean the fan very nice. See, all this dirty cause all this kind of problem. You see so many dirty inside. Make sure you clean everything very nice. Okay, after you clean very nice, okay, make sure you clean all the processor, the old one, clean it very nice. Okay, then you fix everything back. Just fix it. Okay, put back this plastic. Okay, you need to put processor paste. You have to get the right one. Put on top a bit. Put here also. Let me fix back the heat zinc. Replace all the screw you take out back. Make sure you place all the screw you take out back here. Okay, all the 6 screw. After you replace all the screw, don't forget fix back the processor fan. Very nice. Okay, now I'm going to assemble everything on the laptop. Then I test the laptop for you guys to see. Okay, now I assemble the laptop. I fix everything. I don't need to test it for you guys to see. I on the laptop. As you can see, the laptop already on. The display is coming. I mean, everything is okay now. That means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.